Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to allow the followers you follow to add your stories to their TikTok posts. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to enable this feature and enhance your TikTok engagement. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Locate the profile icon in the bottom drawer and give it a tap. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. Now, in the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Privacy. Step 6. Scroll down until you find the Interactions category and tap on Story. Step 7. Here, you have the option to select Followers that follow back. However, it's important to note that your account must be set to public for this feature to work effectively. By following these simple steps, you'll allow the followers you follow to add your stories to their TikTok posts, fostering a deeper level of connection and collaboration. Remember, keeping your account public is crucial for this feature to be accessible to your followers. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the increased creativity and interaction with the followers you follow through shared TikTok stories.